And once again, it's good morning from Bert, and it's good morning from me. And hello.
Anna,
How are
hi.
you?
Anna.
Anna, do I know you?
Yes, we are friends in more than 10 years.
More than 10 years.
Yes.
And so, are you going to help me with Travels with Bert? Is that why you're here?
Yeah, I try.
Okay, that's good. So, say hi, Anna.
Hi, Anna.
Okay, so today we're at a place called Wat Bang Thong in Krabi Province. Although its full name is Wat Mahatat Wachiramangkol.
Ah,
Is that right?
yes,
Did I get
right.
that right?
Yes. It's
So I'm
nice.
sure you're going to hit me if I pronounce something wrong, right?
No.
Okay, so let's stick with Wat Bang Thong. Let's less of a tongue twister. So according to Google Translate, bang means thin,
Yes.
true,
Yeah, Watin.
and thong can mean silly. So this is a thin, silly temple.
Thong is also mean like a gold.
Gold,
Yeah.
yeah, I think that's better, isn't it?
Yeah.
Thin gold temple,
Yeah.
that's what we'll call it. I like the sound of silly.
Look, very rich temple and beautiful.
It is.
Yeah.
It is. Now, I've been here several times, and I think the first time was about 8 years ago. And I'll explain about that later on. But this is Anna's first visit, right?
Yes, it's my
So,
first
What do
visit.
you
And
think so far?
oh, so beautiful.
So, yeah, the first time I came here was when it was being built, and I don't think there was anything like it in Thailand. It was quite unique. And when I got home, I tried Googling and schmoogling, and I didn't really know what I was looking for, so I couldn't find out anything about this place. It's unlike any other pagoda. I figured there had to be a reason for this design. And one evening I was watching a documentary on TV, and suddenly I saw a building that was just like this, but it was plain stone. It wasn't gold color like this. Anyway, long story short, I eventually discovered that this is actually a replica of the Mahabodhi temple in Bihar in India,
Ah, I see that.
and that's where the Buddha achieved enlightenment. And the original was built, I think, in the 3rd century, so the original is really, really old. And it's built on the site of where the Buddha was sitting under his Bodhi tree, and they decided to turn it into I think it's a university now, but it looks exactly like this. And the story goes that the late king of Thailand was so upset that the Indian one wasn't gold that he donated about 300 kilograms of gold to India.
Wow.
Now, Siri tells me that today that would be worth a mind-boggling 200 million US dollars.
Wow. Incredible.
Now, that was a nice idea,
Yeah.
but that was only enough to cover the spire, the little top bit. So if you look at the picture of the Indian one today, it's still stone but with a gold-colored top.
Oh, I see.
So maybe one day they'll finish the whole thing
Yeah, then we can go look.
in India.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, I have one. So anyway, I think at this point we should go off and explore perhaps some of the outside parts first, and then spectacular is inside the main building. So we'll leave that to last. So don't go away, don't go anywhere. The best part is coming at the end.
Yeah, just follow us, please.
Yep, so I think what we'll do, we'll move Bert closer to save us walking. And then while we're doing that, we'll show you the view from upstairs, some aerial views, put in some aerial videos. Okay, so we've had a look all around outside, we've had a look from upstairs, aerial views, and now it's time to go inside. But before we do that, I thought I would mention how I managed to find this place.
How?
I was driving home from somewhere, and I can't remember where. I think probably Khao Lak, because that runs along that top road out there.
Okay.
And as we saw when we were approaching here, you could just see the top of this
Yeah,
gold temple.
little gold temple, very attracting feeling.
And all around is old palm plantations.
Yes.
So all you could see was this golden spire, and all this like a sea of green, and it looked
Then
like an
come up.
alien spaceship. But
Yeah,
just landed. Yeah, it was
It's
really weird.
hiding.
So I thought, okay, I have to find this place. I was running late, and I thought, I'm not going to be home by beer o'clock. And you know, that's serious, not
Yeah,
being home
yeah.
by beer o'clock. But I decided I had to find this place. And what you can't tell from here, actually, you can't just see there is a wall there. There's a big wall that runs all around the place.
Yeah.
And every road that I took off that main road was outside the wall, and I couldn't get in here. And it took me about 30 minutes before I eventually found this road and we came in here.
Uh-huh.
And I walked into what was then a construction site. You know, there were construction workers everywhere, and the place was a complete mess. It was obviously not open to tourists. And the construction workers didn't care if Farang walked
Yeah.
around with a camera, so that's what I did. There were half-constructed elephants. You know, they were still building them. And there were dangling legs, people obeying all of the Thai health and safety regulations. And the mysterious buildings are being constructed. So I thought, well, I have to come back. And I have.
Yeah, me
many
too.
times. And I probably will again.
Yeah.
So I think it's time to go inside now.
Yes.
Something to bear in mind is that this is a religious building,
Yes.
so I don't think we should be talking inside.
Yes.
So we'll just play some nice, relaxing music, and we'll show you what it looks like inside. Yeah?
Yeah.
Right, so now you've really seen it. You've seen the whole place, you've seen inside.
Yes.
What do you think?
Incredible. Amazing. Beautiful piece of art.
Yeah.
Buddhist.
Yeah.
And so wonderful drawing, and when you come in there, feel like a free
Yeah.
and peaceful.
Yeah.
You can be there whole day.
Yeah.
To
Yes,
be
you can.
relaxed, or your own meditation,
Yeah.
and a lot of peace.
There's no sound in there, as the people are very quiet.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
So
I
I
like-
think we can wrap this one up. So it's goodbye from Anna, and it's goodbye from Bart, and it's goodbye from me. Goodbye.